This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on inventory item page tabs. In the main cabinet, go to Inventory, click on Item List, choose an existing inventory item. Click on the item name ID from the item list. Right below the multicolor buttons along the top are page tabs. These page tabs can be customized by an administrator to add, change, or reorder them. These page tabs display grids with information that correspond to your inventory item without needing to navigate between screens. It allows you to drill into receipts, requisitions, and POs directly from the grids. These grids can be searched and sorted in multiple ways. The main tab is an inventory item record information. Quantity on hand per warehouse is the quantity of an inventory item currently available on hand at each warehouse. Item receipts will show all receipts related to this inventory item. Item requisitions will show all requisitions entered for this inventory item. Item transactions will show all transaction types related to this inventory item. Item POs will show all POs for this inventory item. Item AR invoices will show all accounts receivable invoices that have this inventory item on them. While on any of these page tab screens, use the multicolor buttons below the page tabs. Blue Add is to create a new transaction. Black Excel allows you to export the grid to an Excel file. Black CSV allows you to export the grid to a CSV file. Teal Refresh refreshes the screen after any changes were made. Teal Clear Sorts clears any column sorts used. Teal Clear Filters clears any filters used. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving.